U MP ka Congress na Tura usaling sangma ulapun pau ka Sngewkhia ka bajor ha ka bayade ba ka slem ban pyndep ya ki babon ba ki scheme hapo ka Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme MPLADS wat hadian balayat palat arpo arsnam ha ka jela. Hadian ka jingwan ya shimbenta ha ka jingalang jong ka State Level Monitoring Committee SLMC ha ka South Tarik unay wing usaling ulaong. Kidon kikam ki padang sating nadu snam arjar kat hadu menta. Nga perkat balay bawat hadin arpos nam ru kidang don kikam ki padang sating jong ka MPLADS kata watla kapisa ban pentrikam kadai kabarin. Ngam tip ha kanurukam la pentrikam hadu arp arsnam kam day kakam kai. Katkum kajing penpau ka jong u ulaong bagi kat tu kat ni kikam ki basating kidai ki balamang hapadeng kasan pawajar tingka hadu shipau lak tingka. Ngila syong bishar benia halor kikam ki badang sating bat u Chief Secretary ula betha ya baro ki Deputy Commissioner ban pentikna badai ban pendap no ya baro kikam ki badang sating hapo jong uni ubnai nopra ubanwan ula benram. Usaleng ula penpau bakadan ke projek ke bampat la ban pendap hapo ke College Rongjeng. Kila pulut kemba pralak san pawajar tingka naka shipau lak tingka henry 4 syam nala satia ban pendap. Haba keli ya ki daw jong kajing slem ban pendap ya ki projek UMP ulaong balik si ki MP ki barim kila ai kam sya ki beriu ki bamday ki bam syam lala ban pentre ya ki projek. Uni UMP ulaong ru bagi dan hadu la penyau tali ki skim ki bala pentre hapo ka MPLADS arajar apply hadu arajar apsaw bat na kini arpo pratali ki dei ki bala dap pentre bat kendai tali ki badang ya syakman. Da kabapen pau baka MPLADS ka de ka skim ka barit bha usaling ulaong. Kalong tang ban syupendap ya ka jingduna ha ka bagi katu ka ni jaka ki bomyo na kano kono ka skim kum ka nuksa PWD PHE puli puthi tenat soil kum ta kita ki de ki jingduna. Kalong tang san klor tingka na ka benta ka district baro ka way. Ha ka constituency jonga ki dan sandli ki district ya ki bangi haban pet ya kathan baro kawai bat na lor kata kam de het than henry watla kata ru kan ai ka jimen toy ki pat ba nong song snong kat kum ka kai pot bala ai da DC North Garo Hills lai pho na ki san pasau tali ki scheme la la ban pandam bat ar pasau tali ki de ki badang ya shakaman ha West Garo Hills South pa sau ki scheme la pandam bat ar pandai tali ki dang ya shakaman South West Garo Hills lai pnyo la pandam bat prap pnyo tali ki dang ya shakaman South West Khasi Hills shispa khat lai la pandam khat san tali ki dang ya shakaman West Khasi Hills baro ki pnyo tali ki scheme ki dang ya shakaman South Garo Hills kandai tali la la ban pandam bat ar tali ki dang ya shakaman East Garo Hills ar pasan la pandam bat ka we ka dang ya shakaman East Khasi Hills san spa khat san la ban pandam bat ar kandai tali ki dang ya shakaman Eastern West Khasi Hills rio tali la pandam bat shipho tali ki dang ya shakaman East Jaintia Hills lai pun rio la pandam bat ar po ar ki dang ya shakaman ribhoy ar po la pandam bat khat nyo tali ki dang ya shakaman.
Chief Secretary called as a chairman for the MPLAD scheme to review all the pending works from 2000. There are pending works from 2002 to 3 like that till date. So we have reviewed, and then Chief Secretary has already apprised all the DC and then directed them to make sure that all the pending work should be finished by this December itself. They might have reviewed again and again, but I don't know. I was wondering also why after 20 years also still have that pending work of MPLAD. It is just a mere, very small amount to be implemented. I don't know what wrong with the system. Otherwise, 22 years is not it's a joke actually to finish such a small work. Some of them are 50, some of them are like 3 lakhs, some of them are like 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs. And one of the funniest part is that Dambo from the Rongjeng also there is one. There was supposed to be a Dambo college where they have already spent around 8.50 lakhs out of 10 lakhs, and yet it is not completed. So actually from 2014-15 and then 2020, 2002-3 like that till 2023, 22-23. So there's a lots of projects. Few projects are still pending. I'm not saying all the projects are still pending, but there are lots of projects needed to be cleared off. Some of them are 20 years, some of them are 8 years, some of them are 10 years, like that. Maybe the predecessors might have given to the wrong beneficiaries, or maybe because the implementing agency has to look after whether they are doing it or not. Okay, but it's the it's the beneficiaries who are supposed to do the project correctly. I cannot ascertain right now because it's already, everything is on lease. I've got the lease right now. They have already produced the list of all each and every district. From district wise, it differs from one district to another district. Yeah, since this is my first time along with the state nodal agency, implementing agency, so I just watch how the functioning was, and then it struck me actually why the small works are still pending till there. I was wondering. I thought they might have a meeting about the new rules, new schemes, but it's a review about the older schemes which is not yet completed. It's comparatively, actually, MP-led scheme is a very small scheme. Okay, it is just to fill up the gap where some of the area, it is some of the area which are not getting from any other scheme, like for example PWD or maybe PHC, or from the other soil department, or maybe from the education department. So those fill up the gaps. So it's only 5 crore for the whole district. Like for example, in my constituency there are 5 districts which we have to look after the whole the whole area, and then moreover here also. Likewise, it's not that big, but still, whatever, it will definitely benefit the people at large. Chief Secretary has given a timeline that all those pending works should be, they should be able to give the UC by December or by November at last. It's only a 5 crore for the entire district. And then moreover, they have split it into small project. Like some of the schools are being benefited, some of the colleges are being benefited, and some of the areas are being benefited out of it. It's the it's the beneficiaries, because after all the implementing agency will look after that one only, and then like maybe they might have gone into the wrong hand, you never know. Maybe that's why the implementing the project are not yet successful till then. I don't want to blame anybody right now.
Previous MP did not do much.
No, previous MP has already given to most of the beneficiaries project, but it seems like the beneficiaries has not completed their work.
There is a collusion between the beneficiaries and the...
Now only when you go to the ground only I will know, because this is my first time meeting, and then I have not been able to go down to the ground and then see the project by myself. So I don't want to blame anybody at all.
But will you...
If there are good projects to be looked into, definitely I will go and then see whether those things are materialized or not.